Are you ready to take your boiler business to the next level?
I'm loving the training so far. Already winning more work. It's changed my life, so I'm sure it would change other people's.
Before I was doing probably 12 boilers a year. Now I'm doing 8 boilers this month.
Join us for an exclusive one-day boiler construction bootcamp and unlock the secrets to building a scalable, systemizable and sellable business. With us, you'll learn the 3 secrets to success: high converting leads, home sales mastery, streamlined systems.
Sales for this year, I'm almost double what I've done last year.
We've fitted 38 by the end of this month, 128 grand revenue.
Rub shoulders with industry giants Joseph Valente and Chris Ruggiero. Improve your work-life balance by getting the best jobs in your diary.
July we had our best month, 18 boilers, 50,000 plus VAT turnover.
Learn how to close deals in the home. Generate consistent leads with the right marketing for your industry. Increase sales, expand profits, and grow your income over the next 6 weeks. Still wondering if this is for you?
Boilers for the month I think was sat around 30. Last August we did about 10.
We had a record July. I set the lads a target to 1.5 to 2 million.
We have £150 million of increased revenue for 322 businesses we have coached. 100 businesses have achieved 7-figure revenues. Join our free Discovery Day.